Yes, sir. That is my brother.
Your brother?
Yes, sir.
10,000 naira?
Yes. This year.
Wave your hand and say, Oracle prophesy.
Oracle prophesy.
I'm seeing, can I tell you, I'm seeing a particular 1,000 naira note in your hand. I'm seeing, bring the money out. Hold it up. Wave it like this. Just wave the money. Wave it. Wave it. I'm seeing, listen to me, the person that gave you this money is occultic. That's why I'm taking my time. I don't need the money. I'm a big boy. I just want to help you. Can I help you?
Yes, sir.
Because I'm seeing this money was in a shrine and the angels with that money. I'm seeing 183,626. Check that money. I'm seeing 183. I'm seeing 183. I'm seeing 626. Check the numbers on the money. I'm seeing 183. And I'm seeing 626. Quickly. Sir, someone have decided to use you for ritual. Are you hearing me? Huh? Money. What do you write here? Huh?
183,626.
If you want to clap. I'm not your mate. Please pass the money around. Let me make sure that you don't have eye problem. I want to make sure that your eyes. Give them. Let them use their hand and just give them. And let me shock you. Since that man began to give you money, your life never remained the same. Your life has been going downwards.
He's the one that pays even my house rent.
He's the one that pays your house rent.
Prophesy, sir.
The word of the Lord. That your destiny and the destiny of 2 other of your brothers that they tie up. If the church can give me amen once, I command that blessing to be returned to you. Amen. Hey! Stretch your hand to me. Anyone that is occultic means to frustrate your life.
Fire!
Let that person come under the judgment of God now.
Amen.
This is the reason why your life